Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about an absolute game changer when it comes to organizing your clothes and accessories. Introducing the cabinets, drawers organizers, clothes organizer, socks, underwear organizer, storage box drawers, separator, closet, wardrobe organizers. This organizer is seriously a lifesaver, let me tell you. It's made of high-quality plastics and polyester, so you know it's built to last. The meticulous stitching ensures that you'll be using this organizer for years to come. The best part? You can arrange different items in certain positions, making it super easy to find whatever you need quickly. No more rummaging through a messy drawer, everything has its place with this organizer. Plus, it's washable and durable, so you can keep it looking fresh and new. Not only is it great for storing underwear, bras, socks, scarves, and ties, but it's also perfect for small personal items. And when you are not using it, you can simply fold it up to save space. I mean, how convenient is that? If you're anything like me and love a tidy, organized space, then this is the product for you. And the best part is that it's available at the best price, thanks to our dropshipping partnership with a large factory in China. We also offer high-quality logistics transportation, so you can rest assured that your order will arrive in no time. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your very own cabinets, drawers organizers, clothes organizer, socks, underwear organizer, storage box drawers, separator, closet, wardrobe organizers. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.